Hey everyone! Welcome back to Future Phone Flash, your ultimate destination for the latest smartphone news and reviews. Today, we're thrilled to share some amazing updates about the upcoming iPhone 16. From size upgrades to innovative features, Apple is making some significant changes. Let's jump right in. Bigger Pro models. First on the list, Apple is increasing the size of the iPhone 16 Pro to 6.3 inches and the iPhone 16 Pro Max to 6.9 inches. This is the first size bump in years, making the Pro models even more impressive. However, the standard iPhone 16 models will remain the same size as the iPhone 15 models. New A-series chips. Next up, Apple is designing new A-series chips for the iPhone 16 lineup using the latest N3E 3nm technology. While details are still under wraps, we can expect significant improvements in efficiency and performance. The Pro models might get a higher-end chip compared to the standard models. New buttons and features. In 2024, all four iPhone 16 models will feature the Action button, previously exclusive to the iPhone 15 Pro. Plus, there's a new Capture button for taking photos and videos. This button will act like a digital camera shutter, detecting multiple pressure levels for focusing and capturing images. Camera design changes. Apple is revamping the camera design for the iPhone 16 models, switching to a vertical lens arrangement instead of the previous diagonal setup. This change will enable standard iPhone 16 models to capture spatial video for the Vision Pro headset. Additionally, the Tetraprism 5x optical zoom lens is expected to be available on both the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. Design and layout tweaks. The iPhone 16 will feature a vertically aligned camera system with a pill-shaped bump, housing the wide and ultra-wide lenses. The microphone will be positioned next to the lenses, with the camera flash outside the bump. On the left side, the mute switch will be replaced by the Action button, similar to the iPhone 15 Pro models. So there you have it, all the exciting updates about the iPhone 16 lineup, with bigger Pro models, new chips, redesigned buttons, and an improved camera system. Apple is definitely stepping up their game. What feature are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. New Capture button. First up, let's talk about the brand new Capture button on the right side of the iPhone 16. Positioned where the wave antenna used to be, this button is perfect for taking photos and videos when your phone is in landscape mode. Apple has moved the wave antenna to the bottom left side of the device to make this possible. Design and colors. Next, let's look at the design. The iPhone 16 will have a vertical lens arrangement but will keep the same general shape and size as the iPhone 15 models. As for colors, we have some fresh options. According to analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, expect to see the iPhone 16 in black, green, pink, blue, and white. Sadly, no purple or yellow this time. The back glass will feature a frosted effect that contrasts beautifully with the main frame color. MagSafe improvement zone. MagSafe is getting a boost too. The magnets in the iPhone 16 will be slimmer, which means the magnetic ring in MagSafe compatible cases can be smaller. This will make your phone even sleeker and more stylish. Thinnest bezels ever. Now for the most exciting part, the screen bezels. The iPhone 16 Pro will have bezels that are just 1.2 millimeters thin, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max will have even thinner bezels at 1.15 millimeters. To put this into perspective, the iPhone 15 Pro's bezels are 1.71 millimeters. This means the iPhone 16 Pro models will look almost bezel-less, surpassing even the Galaxy S24 line. A fresh new look for the iPhone 16. This September, Apple is set to dazzle us with the iPhone 16 series, sporting a completely new look. Anticipate stunning new display designs, advanced camera technology, and a revamped thermal system that keeps your phone cool even during intense use. World's thinnest bezels. According to the trusted leaker Ice Universe, the iPhone 16 Pro is poised to set a new record with the world's narrowest bezels, surpassing even the Galaxy S24. These ultra-thin bezels mean more screen space and a sleeker, more futuristic design. The magic behind the bezels: border reduction structure, BRS technology. Apple is leveraging border reduction structure, BRS technology, to achieve these incredibly thin bezels. This cutting-edge method involves bending wiring and circuitry around the screen's edge. While this has presented some manufacturing challenges, Apple is determined to perfect this innovative design. Bigger screens, perfect fit. The new Pro models will boast larger displays, with the iPhone 16 Pro featuring a 6.3-inch screen and the Pro Max at 6.7 inches. Thanks to the thinner bezels, these larger screens will still fit comfortably in your hand, offering an enhanced user experience. Fans' mixed reactions. Not everyone is thrilled about the bezel reduction. Some users question the necessity of such thin borders. However, once you see the sleek design in person, you might just find your old phone's bezels looking outdated. What's the buzz about the iPhone 16 Pro? The tech world is buzzing with rumors about the iPhone 16 Pro. Many are saying it won't be much different from the iPhone 15 Pro. But is that really the case? Let's dig into the potential changes that could make the iPhone 16 Pro stand out. Bigger screen sizes. First up, the iPhone 16 Pro is expected to feature larger screen sizes. This marks the first increase since 2020. This isn't just a small tweak. It's a significant upgrade that could greatly enhance your viewing experience. Enhanced camera sensors and new capture button. Rumor has it the iPhone 16 Pro will come with bigger camera sensors, promising better photo quality. Plus, there's talk of a new capture button that will add more functionality to your photography experience. Imagine the creative possibilities. Ultra-thin bezels. A major highlight of the iPhone 16 Pro is its ultra-thin bezels. According to a leak from Setsuna Digital on Weibo, the iPhone 16 Pro will have 1.2mm bezels, and the Pro Max will have 1.15mm bezels. For comparison, the iPhone 15 Pro has 1.71mm bezels, and the iPhone 14 Pro has 2.15mm bezels. This makes a big difference in the phone's appearance and feel. Border reduction structure technology. To achieve these ultra-thin bezels, Apple is likely using a new technology called border reduction structure, BRS. This innovation could make the top, left, right, and even the bottom bezels much slimmer, enhancing the phone's aesthetics and overall look. Larger screen without increased dimensions. Thanks to the thinner bezels, Apple can increase the screen size without making the phone significantly larger. While the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max will be slightly bigger than their predecessors, the difference won't be drastic. Overcoming production challenges. There were initial reports that Apple's suppliers were struggling with these new requirements. However, it seems those issues have been resolved, and the iPhone 16 series is on track for its anticipated September launch. So, what's all the buzz about the iPhone 16? This year, the Pro models boast some exclusive features, but there's plenty to be excited about with the standard iPhone 16 too. One standout feature everyone's talking about is the Action button, first seen on the iPhone 15 Pro. What is the Action button? The Action button is a customizable shortcut button that can trigger various actions, from muting your phone and opening the camera to turning on the flashlight and activating the magnifier. The possibilities are endless. Apple offers numerous customization options right in the settings menu. Pro. And that's a wrap on the exciting potential of the iPhone 16 and the Action button. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. What feature are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Future Phone Flash, where the future of tech is just a click away.